Hey guys, Kamal here. Hope everything's going well. One of the things I've had in my journey of going from Photoshop to Affinity is styles and how to import styles directly into Affinity Photo 2. Unfortunately, that cannot happen. Not directly. I've tried a whole lot of stuff, but I did find in the Affinity help, somebody else had the same question. They said they had no plan on making it easy for us, but he poked around and figured out a couple of ways to do it, and so I read that, and so here we are. I'll put that link in a little bit later on. So what I have here is I have a couple of layers, one colored, the other blank up here, just so I can do a little drawing, and I've got some style over here. Nothing fancy. So here we go. I'm just going to make a big X like this. So this is what we want to make our style on, and what you can do is do the same thing. This is just a 500 by 500 square that I made with actually a 300 dpi opacity, just because I want to make sure if I applied styles to a picture that I was doing at 300 dpi, it would work. So, you know, nothing a rocket scientist can't figure out, right? So then we go over here and we apply our style. So there we have it. Okay, the next step, and I like to do just close that, so now we have all this, and you can see why I had the colored fill behind it, is to save this, all right, as a PSD. So we're just going to go up here to File and Save As, and I've got a little folder here, and I'm going to put it, call it Tester, TR, well, with one too many E's in there, but we'll get rid of that. By the way, I'm not doing this for YouTube, so I'm not worried about it being too, not too clean or whatever you want to say. I'm not trying to do anything perfect. Okie doke. So I'm not even going to close out of this. I'm just going to jump over here to Affinity. Here I have almost the same kind of thing as what we saw before. Here's some styles I've been practicing with this on. What the instructions were was to open that PSD file. So here we have it, tester. And don't be surprised if you get that little error. That's perfectly fine. All right, close that. The next thing is to select this. So you can see that if we look at my layers panel, here it is. It brought the whole thing in. Even though I hid the bottom one, it brought the whole thing in. And you select the top one, your object, right click, and go down here to create style and click on that. Now this is quick. Wow, we created the style. Let's go back to styles, and there it was. We have a new style here. All right. Now I set this up just because we can see basically the same kind of thing that I had before. And I can select this, which is the top, this little design I made, and click on it, and there's the style that we just did. Now that's maybe not the best color, but I've done this a couple of times. There we go. That's a blood style, one of the blood styles, and another one. And here's another one, and yet another one. So real simple process. You know, there you are. And like I said, I've done this a number of times. It works. It's quick. If you have a lot of styles like I do, or several, it might take you a little bit of time. So I do your favorite ones first, and then do the rest in your spare time. All right, that's it for me. I hope this has been helpful to you, and we'll see you in your comments. Thanks again. Bye.